calling. One moment. Something over here. This one. Wow. Look at this one.
Smells good.
And here we go. And now it's your turn. You push the ring, turn it a bit, and with your other hand, like this, and with your other hand, the crumbs in there. Okay?
And smile to the camera.
Steph, please go away. This is serious job. Come on. Well, we are Dutch, and you know, Dutch people, they don't throw anything away. Mrs. Wolters had 9 kids, so where were the crumb going, do you think?
The kids.
Almost. She gave it to her husband. And you know why? He was a fisherman. He gave it to the fish. They love it. So when you were eating fish at the neighbors and you're thinking, I'm tasting cinnamon, it's correct. Yes, eat our waffles.
That's right.
Well, what's this? It's very simple. This is a very thin cookie. This is my knife. I just put it in there. I don't do anything with this hand. I just turn the waffle. You can do it. Of course you can.
That's right.
And I thought I had a difficult job. Look at this. Yes, flap it open. And a big applause for the lady. She did it. It's great. We're not ready. We're not ready. Look, this one on your left hand. And with your right hand, put it on top. You can do it. Ah, come on, more, don't be shy. Nobody's watching, just pull it on. Yeah, that's it. She doesn't know, but she has to eat it. I'm not. Yeah, that's what you put it on there. And now the difficult part is coming, and that's my job because I studied. Thank you. And because you made it, you have to taste it, of course. Normally, I'm looking, can I run? Because I don't know how it will taste. Wow.
Perfect.
Perfect, thank you. Big relief for me. I'm gonna cut this one in little pieces so everybody can taste. When we're
Please,
finished?
55 pieces, please.
Yes, no problem. No problem.
It's a special job.
Let me count. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's okay. No problem. So, now we can take our gloves off and put them in here. One moment, please. Well, normally I'm always making fun of everything and telling jokes, but now something very serious is happening. I've been at school for many years to learn to do things like this. The lady, she's here for 1 minute, and look what she has done. So, she deserves something very special, I think. Well, look at this. Isn't it great? Look at this. She graduated just right now. Big applause. She did it. It's great. Where are you from?
New York.
New York. Okay. This one is for you. And there is more. There is more. Of course there's more. This one's for you. You can start tomorrow, 9 o'clock. And I'm off to New York. Thank you so much.
Big applause.
It's great.